Welcome to the start of something new. I'm going to Vancouver, so this is my Vancouver vlog officially. My New Year's trip with my best friend Sierra. I'm really stoked. It's gonna be really fun. Hopefully I will fall in love with the Troy Bolton, you know how it goes. I'm just now about to head out and I'm trying to figure out all of my GPS and playing music and all that fun stuff. I feel very frazzled. I wanted to leave 40 minutes ago, but I didn't. So here we are, Happy New Year. Spending the night in Portland at Sierra's and we're leaving early in the morning tomorrow. So right now, I'm gonna head to get gas and then I'm gonna head to Portland. I'm picking up some boots at Target before it gets totally dark. I'm stopping at Target and I just want to tell this really funny story. So when I was packing to come here in DC, it was like after I finished my finals, after we went ice skating, it was late at night. I was taking forever and I packed horribly. I was so exhausted and just like not really thinking. And I forgot my over-the-knee boots, like the Target boots I got on Black Friday online from Target. The Remy boots, you guys know. And I had like specifically planned them into my New Year's Eve outfit. And I was upset at first and I was like, yeah, I'll get over it, I'll figure something out. But I never got over it. So I ordered a pair to be picked up at a Target on the way to Sierra's. I haven't actually worn the ones that are still in DC yet, so I think I'm just gonna return those like as if they're the ones I'm buying today because they're the same boot. I feel like that's not unethical because like I am gonna have an extra pair of boots, you know what I mean? And they're the same ones and I haven't worn them. How you gonna pay for your car and you pay with YouTube checks? Iconic. Stop number 1 and it's me. Thank you so much. We got the goods. What the heck is she doing? Ma'am?
Kristee?
I've been sitting here for 5 minutes waiting to surprise you with a tiny hand and your laundry.
I'm really about to call you right now. I was about to be like, do you need me to come get you?
Welcome to Vancouver. Thank you. This is my Christmas present.
Nice.
This is the coat I was looking for.
Is that the one
from Zara?
I thought I had hands in my pockets. I did.
I thought I had hands, but I don't. I have the hands now. Tiny hand fight. Where are we going? Vancouver. Where are we going? Vancouver. Where are we going?
I think I left my charger actually.
And we're off on our adventure. It is 7:30 a.m. on Saturday,
7:37,
December
bitch.
30th. 30th? Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're driving to Canada. Are you excited?
I'm stoked.
We're wearing matching colors. Look
We
at
usually do.
that. We usually
Except
kind of.
We are in Marysville, Washington. And oh, where'd you go?
Oh! Hi! Let us hold back. What smells like gasoline?
Ooh, gross.
And I'm like,
Oh, excuse me, I just burped. Oh, excuse me, my goodness, I had a kombucha and it's really bubbly.
we fueling up, kids.
And
First we fueled ourselves at Starbucks.
I know, I already told them.
Now we fueled the car with fuel.
Beep, beep,
Sorry.
beep, beep.
What's that song?
What song?
I don't know.
It could be anything.
We made it to the Canadian border, bitches. We haven't been arrested yet. We're gonna go be interrogated by the Canadian police. Bye. Guess who officially left their hostel and is in Vancouver,
Woo, it's really
even though it's
cold.
dark outside because it took us that freaking long.
It is a wind chill of 29.
It is so pretty though. We walked down to the waterfront.
So pretty.
Yeah, I love all the lights on the trees. We are bundled, ladies. Give us food, we're starving. Made it to the top of the lookout. The world's largest cable-supported retractable roof. That's a retractable roof. This is me in Vancouver.
That's where we just were, with all the pretty trees.
Yeah. We just had dinner on that street there. That looks like little mini city opera houses. Look at that light. Fun drinking game idea if you hate yourself and your friends.
And you don't have much to do.
We have our random assortment of beverages, alcoholic and non, and we were both like, okay, you pick 3 and I'll pick 4. We're lining them up in a row and we're gonna tell Siri to pick one for us, and then we have to take it without like smelling it or looking at it and guess what it is.
Siri, pick a number between 1 and 7.
Don't look.
It's 5.
It's 5. 1,
Oh God, I'm
2,
scared.
3, 4, 5. This is what it looks like. It's 5. Go. Go, go, go. Was it the vodka? That's one of mine.
Very birthday cakey.
It's whipped cream.
I mean, it's good, but it's like It burns.
Siri, roll the dice.
Interesting question, Sierra. Okay.
2. All right. Okay.
No looking.
I know my eyes are closed.
Oh man, careful.
What is it? Okay.
Here you go.
Fireball, and is it just Fireball?
Yeah, just Fireball.
Oh, okay. I thought it was mixed with something.
Wow, she had such a better react. I mean, you were such a more
Fireball's easy to take straight.
Yeah,
though.
that's true. Red Bull.
Water. Or no.
You give me mate.
Oh, that was. I was like, it tastes like herbal flower.
The answer is 3.
Ready?
Yeah.
Got it.
Oh.
Your teeth are red.
Wait, did you give me NyQuil?
That was a whole packet of Crystal
Oh my
mixed with Fireball and water. Okay, we're gonna get ready now. We'll see when we look better.
That was fun.
We're both wearing all black bodysuits with black jeans. There's the painting, there's the bed, there's Carlos, there's the tiny hands, there's my water, there's the sink. We do have a nice view of this little church building though. This is our desk, AKA bar cart, AKA vanity, AKA pantry, AKA desk.
Wait, that looks really businessy.
Yes, hello.
Vlog in.
Hi, what's up? Sorry, I'm vlogging.
Friend Levi.
Oh, hi, Levi. Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Do you have anything to say to YouTube?
Hi. Yeah,
He just says hi.
Sierra, nice to meet you.
Okay, fine,
And
I'll
this
turn
is
it off.
Kristee. I'll take the camera.
Okay, ready? This is like the
It's like a
presidential.
presidential.
Bye, Jay.
Good morning, Vancouver.
The bells
Church bells are ringing. Look how pretty this is with the daylight.
Good morning.
We made it to Stanley Park. We are looking at the beautiful scenery.
You mean me?
No, I mean the buildings and the Canadian flag. So sunny and cute. And we're gonna get some lunch. The little beach with the little waves. Would you just look at it? These wings to start with a maple bacon sauce. And I just figured that was so Canadian, we can't pass that up.
Something with a maple dish.
Yeah, so we're gonna try it. What is that thing of spice?
I think that's, I don't know, but let's try it. Cheers.
Cheers to our maple bacon. That was good.
Oh, yeah.
I don't usually film food in restaurants, but like, look how beautiful this artisan freaking salad is. It's arugula, quinoa, chicken, blueberries, corn, peppers, and some sort of vinaigrette. What kind of soup is that? Meat and veggie? Something?
Meat and veggie tomato-based soup, yeah.
Amazing. Stanley's Bar and Grill, if you're wondering, in Stanley Park. Super cute, super Christmassy, super soup.
Right over here, going the other way, there's this Audi going over this bridge, hitting 110.
Oh, wow.
No, 180 miles an hour, not kilometers.
Oh my god.
Miles an hour.
We are at the Granville Public Market. We got to call Fifi. We just had the most interesting taxi ride of our lives. This man, I don't even know how to describe it. I kind of filmed a little bit in the taxi. Like,
So many like morbid stories about death. And then he was touring us around Granville and was telling us literally about every single thing.
and he was like, there's a walkway. It's not very nice.
This is a store, they have musicians and things for like musician things.
We got the coolest little corner table so you can see all of this outside and these people. Hello, good evening. This bridge, lots of boats. It's so pretty outside. It's so blue. We don't have that much time left, honestly, because our thing for New Year's Eve tonight is so early. I don't even think I've talked about it.
Check in at like 6 p.m.
Yeah, and that's like 6 hours prior to 2008.
to get dinner.
All right, kids, New Year's Eve outfit of the days. We're ready to go. Dress from Macy's, right?
Macy's.
Red dress. She's got some black booties from H&M.
It's like,
See, I saw this in my Vlogmas.
yeah, and she's wearing the thigh-high boots from Target. Yes. You wanna do Toro? Yes.
I will not be bringing this camera with me, but maybe I'll insert some Snapchats because it's gonna be a wild ride. Happy New Year! We survived New Year's Eve.
Hello.
My feet hurt from walking in my shoes last night in the cold.
We Okay, the place ended in a very different place than it said it was going to, and it was fun, granted, but we ended up couldn't get a cab because it was just too long of a wait. No one was picking up. The line was dead to call a cab, so we walked.
The line was dead. The people were dead. Everything is dead.
We walked.
All my friends are dead. We had such a fun night for New Year's. We made a lot of friends. I'll insert Snapchats here. Tell me a story about your life.
Honestly, this guy didn't fuck it up.
Hey, be nice to security personnel.
Sorry. Peaceful of peace.
Thank you, sir. Good night. Happy New Year.
We're on our way to see if we can get to the car right now because we parked it under a public library, which is closed, but we'll see. Update on the trapped in Vancouver situation. We are currently vehicle entrance because all the like pedestrian entrances were locked and there's no sign of anyone here.
No, it's New Year's Day. There's literally no one.
We're just perusing through. And oh my god, these acoustics! We could scream and no one would hear. That's not good. Level 2. Okay, there's people getting in their car too, so we're good. We made it.
It's like we're talking into a pillow.
I know, it's so weird. I wonder how it sounds on camera. Welcome to the United States of America. Ma'am, good evening. Can I help you? Here is the Peace Arch. You can kind of see we are at the U.S. Port of it. Okay, hello. Hello, Seattle. Oh, it looks so cool with the sun. Listening to an intense remix of Hello Seattle as we drive through Seattle.
I say Adel.
You say see.
I see it. Adel.
I see it.
Adel.
I see it.
Mountains over there. In the
I am a mountaineer.
In the mountains over there in the snow.
Oh, the mountains.
To Portland.
5, 6,
It's
7,
Friday
8.
night.
Hello, Seattle. Found the trunk in the hill and bridges. That is Safeco Field. That's where Monica is probably because she loves the Mariners. We have finally reached Sierra's home. It is 5:45 p.m. She's going to eat dinner with her family and live happily ever after and never see me again. And I'm going to drive home.
No, we just decided we're going to Miami.
Yeah, you better hold us to that. We're trying to plan another trip. Okay, well, it's been a fun weekend.
It's been so fun. I hope you insert some of those crazy snaps because those are freaking hilarious.
Oh, I already did. You already know. Bye, Sierra.
Bye, love you. Oh, I'm done.
It is now 7:30 p.m. I'm so tired and I am just pulling up at home. I haven't watched YouTube all weekend, so I don't know, but I bet everyone's videos are like super motivated and organized and everything, and this is a shit show vlog of me and Sierra in Vancouver for New Year's. But I hope you enjoyed watching anyway. It was really fun. I will be back at it on Thursday with an actual like fitness focused vlog. But I hope you just had fun watching this fun vlog, even though it wasn't like fitness related. But don't worry, yeah, tomorrow bright and early we're gonna be drinking lemon water and being fit and healthy. Literally, look at this box on my face. I love you all. Thanks for sticking around. I'm so stoked for the new year. I hope you had a great first day of 2018. I know I did in the car. It was really fun. I'll see you guys in my next vlog on Thursday. Bye.